Alright, my vintage collectors and e-waste friends, I'm going to show you a beautiful pickup I did this week of different AT&T equipment, Commodore, Tandy, Sun, Amiga. We got some AT&T 6386 SXWGS, bunch of 6300s, an IBM 5150 over there. We got an IBM RS 6000. And over here there's a beautiful old AT&T machine. One of my buddies over at Bit History told me this is something similar to the Olivetti. We have a rare Tandy Sensation, which also has the Intel Overdrive processor in it. Another rare, beautiful Amiga 2000. We got two RISC HP 712s, one a 71260 and a 712-100. We got an old GE branded Sun system, Advantage Windows. Both of these have dual ROS procs in them as well, with a beautiful Sun SparkStation 20. On the bottom here is a Compaq portable. And I'm going to play with all this stuff and see what we can do. Until next time, don't forget to like and subscribe.